everyone! I want to revamp a little arrangement we had on our outdoor table. I think I showed you during the April garden tour, I had a little display with violas, really cute. Oh well, so now the violas are a little bit tired, so I already cleaned part of it out, but I want to swap that for a summer display. You can see here those are starting to be a bit leggy, and I'm still waiting for my second flush of blooms on those beautiful campanulas. So I'm not sure what shape it's going to take yet. Let's get started. So I think I'm going to use those beautiful daisies, and those are perennial, so once they're done for the season I'll plant them out in the landscape to enjoy them for longer. I also am going to use one of the most popular trailing plants of the summer, some calibrachoa, let me know how to pronounce it. And I actually got those 50% off just because there was one of the plants that was a little bit on the sad side. Pretty happy with that deal. I think my new little display is going to use this cute watering can. I got this actually to water smaller pots, but it turns out that it's not watertight around that rim right here. So I'm actually going to use that to turn it into a planter. So again, I hope you can see well from that angle, creating a little well in the middle. And I think again, given the depth of the root reservoir here, just one plant. I popped some also in the front garden and in another container. I hope to be able to show you that soon. I think everything is going to need a good dose of multi-purpose fertilizer. I'm just sprinkling a little bit around the plants here, and then I'm going to water them. And this is because I packed this full. Those plants are going to get massive, so we want to give them as much energy as possible. Alright, so this is what it looks like. So I decided on 4 little containers. This first one that you've seen previously with the beautiful calibrachoa, and this is going to fill in and become really big. Then I popped a little geranium right here, and that cute little pot. I really love this pot. So this also is going to fill in. Then this is the newest addition, watering can turn planter. And I popped 2 of this beautiful daisy here. And I also tucked in a little bit of a spilling element. And then in that last bigger pot, it's much bigger, so I was able to pop 2 penstemon. Hopefully this one can get a bit of a drink because it's a bit on the dry side. A daisy in the middle to draw the interest from this pot so that they go together. And I also popped a geranium right here, and another of the calibrachoa, just so that we have repeating interest and that this looks a bit more cohesive. Let me back up a little bit. So this, I think, is going to look really pretty. So that's it for today. A really quick project, but I think this really goes to show that you don't need a lot of space or a lot of plants to create a little display in your garden. I hope this inspired you to do so. Oh yeah, one last thing. Here, this is a little IKEA planter I put together in the spring, and this is the summer version. I haven't filmed that process, but we have beautiful osteospermum, those penstemon, the same one that I just planted, and then the geraniums that are really deep pink. I think this is so gorgeous, and this is the same color as the other geraniums I just planted as well. And then here we have a gorgeous clematis about to burst. Look at those buds. I hope you can see there's a lot of sunlight. Super pretty. And I also have gladiolas. So a really pretty mix of plants. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!